X20 electric bike, 2000W 48V 30AH battery bike, front rear shock absorption, mountaineering off-road electric bike. 250W powerful motor. 250W brushless variable speed snow motor, rare earth permanent magnet DC brushless, external rotor hub type motor, motor internal basically maintenance free, with fast response, high speed, smooth rotation, stable torque, etc. 48V 25AH large battery. Speed of 25 km per hour, removable battery to meet different charging needs, 6 to 8 hours for charge with a range of 50 to 65 miles. Automotive grade shock absorbers and hydraulic oil brakes. Double shoulder hydraulic shock absorbers with scientific and effective shock absorption measures minimize vibration and make the ride smoother. Hydraulic oil brakes provide precise and instantaneous braking even in wet weather. These reliable configurations create a comfortable, confident riding experience for you. 20-inch and 4-inch snow fat tires. Puncture-resistant, non-slip snow tires are suitable for all kinds of roads, combined with magnesium alloy one-piece wool designed to provide excellent traction and superior shock absorption. Allows you to ride freely on the beach, mountain, snow, city, etc. Humanized design. This adult off-road electric bike is equipped with diffuse LED dual lights at the front and rear for safe riding even at night. X20 has an intuitive LCD display that shows speed, battery level, distance traveled, and faults. Shimano 7-speed system allows you to choose the speed you like. Always ready to go. The bike is 90% pre-assembled and combined with 3 riding modes, electric only, pedal assisted, and pedal only. It will make your ride hassle-free enough. Upgraded. This X20 now comes with fenders and rear rack to better meet customers' riding needs. X20 electric bike, 2000W 48V 30AH battery bike, front rear shock absorption, mountaineering off-road electric bike.